Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to get the sum of cubes by different methods. Okay, what I have here is the list of numbers, about 14 numbers in this list. All of them are numerical numbers, and we want sum of cubes for this list. Okay, what I can show you here is our as usual the manual method. You can do the for every element you can cube it and then add it. Okay, so I will just do a2 caret 3. Okay, so similarly you can add you can do the cube for every element. Here you can see 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. Okay, 4's cube. Similarly for 3's cube, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. Okay, you can have a set of cubes here for each element in the list is performed as a cube, and this list we are going to add the sum. Okay, sum of these cubes. Okay, so this way you will get the sum of cubes of a list. Okay, now what we have is different thing we can perform here using a sum product function. Okay, what is sum product function? Sum product function is the actually is a function that gives the product and their sum. Okay, if you pass two arrays in the sum product function, what it does that it just multiplies the first element of the first array into the first element of the second array. Similarly for the second elements, so second element of the first array and second element of the second array. Similarly for the third element of the first array into third element of the second array, and it will do it for all the elements. In this our case we have up to 3 elements only in each array. If you have about hundreds of elements, it will do up to the final element, and then all the products, right, it will add, and finally it will add the sum of the products. Okay, you can see 32. Okay, if you do the same thing here, sum product of array 1 comma array 2, enter 32. Okay, so it's not necessary 2 arrays, it could be many number of arrays. In you can put any number of arrays, put a comma, and you can add other arrays also. It will do the corresponding elements product. Okay, for each element in the arrays. Okay, then it will do the sum. Okay, that's the sum product function. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the sum product function to get the cubes. How can we do that? Sum product of array 1, which is nothing but our list, and array 2 again is the list, the same list, and array 3 is also the same list. So I'm just tweaking the sum product function to get all 3 arrays are nothing but the same list. So it takes the first element of array 1, which is 49, and first element of array 2 is also the same list, that's so it is 49 again, and the third element also similarly 49. So what happens, 49's cube is coming there. So for every element here it get an array of elements, which is 49 49 and so on. Finally it will do the sum like this, what we have here. Okay, so it is going to be cubes sum of cubes of the elements in the list. Okay, you can see the same answer 35, 92, 98, 0. Okay, this is the way you can do sum product function to perform sum of cubes. Okay, similarly we have another method which is a array formula method. How can we do here is that you use sum. Okay, use the sum, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the list. Okay, and its power 3. Okay, you can also use the same way how we did it here, the list into list into list, which can be done, but use our operator is available, so the power 3 you use it, the list of power 3. Okay, so what happens here, what we are going to do here is for each element you make it power 3, so that you will get a set of cubes. Okay, it is going to be 49's cube, 38's cube, and so on. So for that array set you are going to sum it up. Okay, so it is going to be a array operation, and you are going to return a array, then again you sum it up. So you must know that it's a array formula. Okay, when you use array formula you cannot simply press enter like a simple formula. You must press Ctrl Shift Enter to tell the Excel that you are writing a array formula. Okay, so in array formula you must be very careful what kind of array you are working on that, and what is the result you are looking into. So you must foresee that whether the output of the array formula is going to be a single cell or multi-cell. It is, in this case it is going to be a single cell, because we are summing up the values in the set. If it is a multi-cell, you must select all the multiple cells where the array must return the output. But in this case, since it is a single cell array formula, we just press Ctrl Shift Enter. You can see in one stroke itself it will do the multiplication of each element, each element's cube, doing the getting the array of each element's cube, and then it's summing up. Okay, but what you see here is unlike the, it is like array ordinary simple formula. It starts with the equal to sign, but unlike it, it brings it puts two braces around our formula to show that it is a array formula. Okay, so what in 3 methods we got the same sum of cubes value. Okay, hope this example is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.